Understanding the compost thermometer. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that combines gardening, sustainability, and a bit of science. We're going to explore what a compost thermometer is and why it's an essential tool for anyone interested in composting. Whether you're a beginner in English or just new to gardening, this video will help you understand everything you need to know about compost thermometers. A compost thermometer is a specialized tool designed to measure the temperature inside a compost pile. Compost piles generate heat as organic materials break down, and monitoring this heat is crucial for efficient composting. The thermometer looks somewhat like a long, metal probe with a temperature gauge on one end. This design allows it to be inserted deep into the compost pile to get an accurate reading of its internal temperature. The temperature of a compost pile tells us a lot about the composting process. It can indicate the activity level of the microorganisms breaking down the material. Generally, a temperature range of 135 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 to 71 degrees Celsius, is ideal for rapid decomposition and for killing off harmful pathogens and weed seeds. By using a compost thermometer, you can ensure your compost pile remains in this optimal range, promoting faster decomposition and creating rich, healthy compost for your garden. Using a compost thermometer is straightforward. 1. Insert the probe into the center of the compost pile, ensuring it goes deep enough to get a representative reading. 2. Wait a few minutes for the temperature to stabilize, then read the temperature gauge. 3. Adjust your composting practices based on the reading. If the temperature is too low, you may need to turn the pile to add oxygen or add more green material to increase activity. Besides monitoring temperature, successful composting involves balancing green, nitrogen-rich, and brown, carbon-rich materials to provide the right nutrients for microorganisms. Keeping the compost moist but not too wet. Turning the pile regularly to introduce oxygen, which is vital for composting. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of a compost thermometer in maintaining a healthy compost pile. Not only does it help in producing nutrient-rich compost for your garden, but it also ensures the composting process is efficient and hygienic. Remember, composting is a great way to reduce waste and enrich your garden, and with the right tools and knowledge, anyone can do it. Thank you for watching, and happy composting! Remember, every step towards understanding and utilizing tools like the compost thermometer not only benefits your garden but also supports a healthier planet.